Traveler's Translator, navigate the world with language. This application was written for people who are traveling and want to be able to translate what they want to say into another language. This application uses Azure Speech Translation and Synthesis services. The user interface allows you to select a common question in English. Selecting the question will write the question into the input area. These are just English questions, but alternatively, the user can type any text from any language into this text input area. Translation service will detect the language and process the translation based on that. Let's say you're traveling in Greece and you want to say hello in Greek. So your native language is Italian, you've typed ciao, and now you want to translate to Greek. The translation occurs, you see the output of the original and translated, and then you can speak the
Yes, sir.
translated languages. You can also review the
Ciao.
original. So this allows you to either learn to speak those languages or to just from your phone hold up the phone to the one you're communicating with, press the button to speak what you want to say in their language. And that's it.